InsecurePlatformWarning when building Docker image. I get this warning when building my Docker image. Several sources, like InsecurePlatformWarning, a true context object is not available. This prevents erlib3 from configuring SSL appropriately. Say that pip install pyopencil ndg's client python1 will fix this issue. But I get the warning as soon as pip atom to install pyopencil. Here's my Docker file.
It seems that this warning is expected when running pip, this URL, but as you are installing pyopencil ndg's client python1, you won't get warnings when using Python request. For example, if I build this Docker file, and then run this inside the container, as you can see, I get the warning. But if I add these lines in the Docker file, and run the same Python commands, I don't get the warning anymore. If you really don't want the warning when installing pyopencil, you can set the environment variable, Python warnings equals ignore column a true context object as suggested here, this URL. Your Docker file would then look like this. Another solution would be to upgrade Python to 2.7.9.
Specify